Hello gamers, welcome to another little vlog. I'm making this vlog and I don't really know why. I just wanted to say that if you haven't watched DanTDM's Hardcore Series Season 1, you gotta watch it. I've been watching it for myself and it gets so good the more you get through it. Like, the first episodes are pretty good. But when you get into more like the fighting episodes and the farming episodes, they're actually pretty good. So this is a video just to, heads up. Please watch it. And subscribe to DanTDM if you haven't already, because he's an amazing guy and he's making a lot of videos, I'm sure of it. Just go subscribe to DanTDM. If I can, I'll leave a link in the description to his YouTube channel. But on that, I send this video. Peace.